The right pronunciation is essential as it helps people understand what you're speaking about. But there are many English accents and you need to choose which one is the best for you. But remember, you need to speak clearly whichever one you choose to speak. Today we're going to look at the or sound. There are so many possible or sound spellings. Here are some examples. Firstly, AW, or, P or paw, J or jaw, S or saw, or raw. Then we have the AL for or sound. All, call, all, ball, all, talk, and orc, walk. Sometimes you see OR as or, like or for, or door, and or more. OU can also be pronounced as an or sound, like f or for, and ought, thought. I thought I saw 4 jaws or more while I was having a talk, while I was having a walk. So that's it for today. So till next time, bye.